Welcome to Crypto Coins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to Crypto Coins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we've got a two-parter video. First off, I'm going to click through, show you a little bit about COD Farm, COD game made by Crazy Orchard. Now, this is actually just the preface of it. I'm going to show you in a couple of different parts, just so I can record it properly while moving around. But to give you the basis, basically you have your animal house for your pet. This is your home. You have your different homeland, your orchard, which I'll show you the details in a second, and a couple of god statues as well for the luck of the crop, that kind of thing going on. But I will be cutting this in a couple of parts. I apologize, showing you a little bit more of the gameplay, and then jumping into the next project. So let's see what we've got. Alright, my friends, so here I am logged into COD game, just showing you a little bit of the gameplay, kind of clicking through and showing you how this works. Now, we can see there's the log, ranking, recharge, and settings of the game. You've got your homeland and your orchard, so you can click in, check all of your strategy info, user center, products market, all of that is what is in your orchard, meaning just all of the friends and things that you'll need to actually play this game correctly, right? You can, of course, click on the house, level 2 house, and upgrade that if you get enough diamonds. Let's see here. Now, I can't upgrade this because I have insufficient materials, but we can click through, see? So, you have things like animals, your pets, which is really cool, by the way. You've got the attack defense on and off. Sadly, don't have a pet yet, but just kind of clicking through to show you things. You can see how interactive a lot of this game is, right? So you got your homeland, which entails your shop, warehouse, exchange center, and dress up. So we can kind of see in the shop as well, different kind of fruits, things that you might carry here in the shop. It also, things like your different diamonds, your different things to actually grow crops as well. So we can sort of see here, watering pot, avoid the water drought. Turn it on, not at the moment. You can see your hoe. Things like herbicide, insect repellent, things to keep your community actually able to run as it should properly. And let's see here real fast. So we're going to do that. Oh, sadly, insufficient to try opening the gold box for you, but let's see here. We're going to click out into here. So yeah, basically these are going to be your main tenets of the actual game. Essentially, it's a really fun farming game where, again, you've got the different orchard and homeland, your exchange center, dress up, shop. As I mentioned, the warehouse showed you some of the different things you can get. And this is definitely an interesting game. I plan to try a little bit more about it, might even do some gameplay of it. But just kind of wanted to go over this and show you this, and of course talked a little bit about the website already, so we are going to actually jump into our next video on this two-parter for you. Well, howdly doodly, neighborinos. Welcome back to Crypto Coins. I'm your host, Freddie Colton, and today I'm going to be discussing a really cool gaming NFT project, Niftyville. Niftyville's a place where you get to be you, but the extraordinary is always just around the corner. Demolition derbies, racists, zombie parties. Anything can happen in the world's first play-to-earn open-world game, coming soon to the Ethereum network. And let's go ahead and check out.
Welcome to Niftyville, the first ever NFT MMO game based on the real world. Get together with friends, start your own business, or just hang out and explore. Participate in action-packed server-wide events, or embark on smaller adventures with fellow Niftyans. You make the rules. Open up a shop, earn exclusive NFTs, and generate passive income. Redeem NFTs for their real-life equivalent. Discover various in-game vehicles, weapons, and dress in your NFTs. Whatever you choose, whether it's selling or buying, socializing or gaming, who will you be in Niftyville? Build your legacy.
Excuse me, little ma'am. Sorry about that, my friends. Little Catmantha Jones is sitting on my lap today. I don't know what that is. Sorry, guys. So that is Niftyville, though. That's really cool. Now, I will go ahead and say they are related to Onisis. This was actually this is the development studio. This was actually the YouTube channel that they were based on, their trailer is based on. So just want to throw that out there as well. This is their Telegram for Onisis, by the way. So it's doing pretty well, though. It's got 4,000 right there. Got Onisis's what do you call, excuse me, Medium. By the way, 1.2 thousand followers is no small number on a Medium. That's really impressive. And it's talking about the Niftyville exotic car sale fast approaching. Remember we told you we had the audacity to tokenize a Lambo and put it for auction? Well, that time is nigh, and we get set as we could find the single most consequential NFT sale in the short history of NFT. Key sales January 10th, just on midnight. We will snapshot wallets to see who's holding or staking Niftyville whitelist passes. January 11th, send out NFTs with instruction to those whitelist holders. January 18th, whitelist holders need to respond by the date able to participate. 28th, private sales go live. 29th, public sale will commence. So the 999. Niftyville exotic cars are set to leave their lot and find homes in the wallets of those Niftyans waiting to get their hands on one. These cars will forever be the most great vehicles in town. Only 999 will ever be minted, and your chance to get one is fast approaching. And let's see, you're getting the picture. So Niftyville progresses, and let's talk about the Lambo. In the wider crypto community, you're familiar with the question, when Lambo? With Onisis is answering it at the end of January. The cars sold in OpenSea will be fully usable in-game in Niftyville, but they double as bids in an auction of a real Lambo. 7 days after all the cars have sold, including the 100 available for free for whitelist pass holders, top holder will receive an NFT redeemable for a real Lambo. 2017 Lamborghini Huracan Spider. Hello, little ma'am. For anyone not so keen on sports cars, we'll replace it with 200,000 cash or crypto prize, which, I mean, that's pretty cool either way, right? Like, wow, what an awesome just deal, really. Now, this is the OpenSea that I found on there, which, by the way, their floor price is crazy. Is in a good way, right? Now, this is actually the OpenSea that I found directly through the links on their website, to be clear. We can see the activity has been doing really well. They've definitely been doing a couple sales recently, actually, yeah. And they're going to be doing more, of course, but this was actually when they were just selling the genesis of things. But again, to have to have it be such a high floor price, that's what I'm looking for. That's just really amazing. Now, I apologize you keep hearing Discord. There's just so many people chatting on this Discord, and I forgot to mute it, but I'll get to that later. We'll go ahead and see through here. So Discord, you've got car sale updates going on there, and the public sales January 29th, as we said, so you actually really can buy 2 days as of me making it, about a day as of me making it. You can really jump in on that. Now, the Onisis blog, we saw they're doing really well on Medium, but this is actually the one that shows up when you click through their website. This is sort of their white paper of sorts with all the different things. The Niftyville founder telling you about the team, Wax or Ethereum. So they're connected to Wax and Layer 2 chain, solution scaling, Wax blockchain protocol, which, by the way, I love Wax. I've talked to people a lot about it. The fact that I've invested a good bit into Wax because I believe in it. Apologize, that is not their video, but as you saw, they had their video that we just played. And then, let's see, so the Lambo party, as we see, the sale starts soon enough. 16 hours, it says, but I thought it was the 29th. Yes, it's at least a day from now for me. I don't know when the 29th in Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, so that's for me. It's at least over a day. Oh, private sale probably starts sooner, though. That's right. Private sale on the 28th. So yeah, definitely, again, check that out as we checked out. What is the game? Niftyville is a town of endless possibilities, just as real life is. You can imagine it. You can do anything in Niftyville, explore the town, people to meet, shops to visit, and a lot of things to do. Meet up with old friends, make new ones, and roam the streets. Use a town map to become acquainted with all the events and activities going on, initiated either by the server, other players, or even you. What am I in the game? You can be whatever you want. Business owner, hitman, thief, just an ordinary self. It all comes down to your imagination and ability to bring that imagination to the forefront in Niftyville. And I love that. I think that's so fun that you can just kind of be whatever you want to be. Be what you want to be. Be-A-R-B-I-E. Oh, man. That's such an old thing. Ever wanted to own a business? In the game, you can easily own a business. You can actually make quite a lot of money selling exclusive in-game NFTs. Nifty Coins is the crypto. And buy and sell. If the cars are your thing, for example, buy yourself a dealership and be rewarded with exotic cars NFT available only to you. That's the thing. So they are, if you open the right store, opening a shop means you're rewarded with exclusive NFTs, literally exclusive, based on what you decide to do. So that's going to be pretty awesome, actually. Now we can see here that we have a couple of things coming down the pipeline, Q2 and on. So we're about there for pre-alpha release. First NFT businesses, more businesses. Hitman mode released, which is so funny. So you can just make money being a hitman. I mean, I don't know what that point is. Like, I hope you get to come back and don't just lose your character, but map expansion, private servers for high property owners, more vehicles and weapons, in-game regular jobs to earn void, excuse me. Ugh. The general FAQ, which is nice, and a little Niftyvillian, and that's really it, my friends. Now, they are going to be releasing, I think they're mentioning releasing a lot of, let's go back here real fast.
Welcome to Nifty.
Thank you very much. Now, that was a lot of their gameplay. I'm curious if there's more gameplay to show you. Yeah, okay, so there's This is a more realistic look at what gameplay is going to be like. Can do in that regard, trading it out, that sort of thing. So again, it's going to be a fun game. There's a lot of gameplay ready and at the, readily available. So I'm excited. Definitely contact, by the way, that's their email. If you want to contact them right up there, shoot them an email directly. The team seems to be very good about responding from what I can see from their other social media. But my friends, that is Niftyville, a real nifty project. I'm very excited to see more. I'm definitely going to be following up on this one, see more about it, but that really adds a lot of value to their NFT by bringing it into this gaming aspect, and just really combines to be a project that I think can do very well. But thank you as always. Oh, you know what? I thought I opened the Git book, by the way. I did. I showed you that. So that was the Git book. So we did check that. Just want to make sure I touched on my bases. But thank you then. As always, my friends, you have stopped by Crypto Coins Gaming to hang out with your host, Freddie Colton, and the young lady, Capmantha Jones Colton, who has been in my lap, who fell asleep on my left arm, and it is numb by the end of the video. But we will deal with that. Here, you want to come say hi? Oh, she's dead. The cat is dead, my friends. But as always, thank you seriously so much for coming by. I will see you all in the next episode.